Fabletics VIP membership honest review. You've probably seen it advertised everywhere: stylish workout clothes, 2-for-1 leggings, and that VIP deals that seems too good to be true. But is it actually worth it? Let's start with what Fabletics VIP program is. When you sign up, you get discounted pricing on nearly every item in the store. We're talking about 30 to 50% off retail. You also get access to member exclusive styles early lunches and those tempting 2 for $24 leggings deals. However, to maintain VIP status, you must enroll in a monthly subscription. Each month, you either shop or skip by the 5th, or you're charged around $54.95 in credit, which you can use for the future purchases. This is where most people get confused. It's not a fee, but a rolling credit system. You're essentially prepaying unless you remember to skip. The ordering experience of Fabletics website is sleek and beginner-friendly. You take a short style quiz which helps customize your shopping experience. Once you're in, the product pages are visually rich and the sizing tools is fairly accurate. Checkout is smooth, but be careful because the default VIP pricing is applied even before you fully understand the commitment. Shipping took between 5 to 8 business days in our test depending on location. Returns were available but not always free, depending on the type of return. They offer exchanges or credit rather than straight refunds in some cases. Now, let's talk quality. Fabletics products are surprisingly well made for the price, especially under the VIP pricing structure. The leggings offer solid compression, moisture-wicking fabric, and stylish fits. We tested several categories: leggings, sports bra, men's jogger, and even outwear. Most items stood up to washing and daily use. Sizing is generally consistent, though it helps to read reviews for it fit specific feedback. Fabletics does a good job offering exclusive sizing and length options, especially for taller or curvier bodies. Here's where the program gets a bit controversial. The monthly credit. Every month, if you don't skip by the 5th, you get charged about $54.95. This becomes a credit in your account. It's not a penalty fee, but a lot of users forget to skip, and those credits stack up fast. This creates frustration for some people who feel trapped. However, you can use credits anytime, and you're allowed to skip as many months as you want. It just requires you to log in and manually skip. It's not hard, but it's easy to forget. Fabletics send reminders, but they are easy to miss in a full inbox. Let's be honest, canceling isn't as easy as signed up. While Fabletics has made some improvements in 2025, you still usually have to cancel via live chat or phone, which can take some time. Some users have reported delays or pressure to stay, while others have had no trouble at all. The trick is to be direct and confirm cancellation immediately. They sometimes offer pause options or incentives to keep you subscribed, so be clear about your decision if you want it. We gather reviews from actual VIP members. Some love the system and say it helps them build a consistent active wear wardrobe on a budget. Others feel frustrated by the monthly charge system and forgetfulness penalties. Many praise the quality of the clothes, especially for the VIP price, but a few noted that the sales are frequent, meaning non-members might still get deals if they wait. The biggest pro, style and variety. The biggest con, remembering to skip every month. Another pros, it has the big discount on activewear, a quality material and stylish design, VIP only products, inclusive resizing, and rewards and referral programs. While their cons, monthly credit system can be confusing. You must remember to skip, canceling isn't instant, not every item is great deal even with VIP pricing, and store credit refunds only in most cases. Fablitext VIP is ideal for consistent shoppers, people who buy new activewear every month or build a full workout wardrobe over time. It's a great if you love stylish, well-made leggings and don't mind being part of a subscription. It's not a great if you're forgetful, don't shop monthly, or want a pure pay as you go model. You'll end up frustrated if you sign up just for one deal and forget to cancel. One underrated feature of VIP program is the personalized shop. Based on your quiz and browsing behavior, your home screen changes monthly to match your style. While it's algorithm driven, it does a decent job showing curated pieces. You can also favorite items to influence future picks, while not quiet, stylish experience. It helps narrow down choices, especially when hundreds of items available. It's especially helpful for users who prefer quick decision making over endless scrolling. Fablitex now has brick and mortar stores in several US cities. The cool part? Your VIP membership works in store too. You can try on pieces, redeem credits, and get the same discounts. Some stores even have fit tech rooms, smart fitting rooms where the mirror suggests outfit combinations and allows you to request different sizes digitally. It bridges the gap between online convenience and in-personal confidence. If you're near in physical store, this can make VIP feel more flexible and less risky. One common concern in a news credit piling up. Good news, your VIP credits never expire. You can use them months later or all at once. Some users stack 3 to 4 months of credits and splurge during seasonal drops or limited collections. You can also use credits for bundle deals, which maximize savings. Just remember once you cancel your VIP account, unused credits may be forfeited unless you redeem them first. So use them while your account is still active. So, is the Fablitex VIP membership worth in 2025? If you love activewear and want quality for less, and you're organized enough to manage the skip dates, it can be absolutely save your money and keep your closet fresh. But if you're only here for a one-time deal or hate subscriptions, this might not be your thing. It all comes down to how you shop for the right person. Fablitex VIP is fun and valuable program. Just go in with your eyes open. So that's it.